6, Unit 19, dividing 3-digit numbers up to 500 by 1-digit numbers. Unit 19.1, dividing the numbers up to 300 by 2 through 5. It is very important that we keep our alignment straight here on these problems. Let's look at example A. 2 cannot go into 1. 2 can go into 12 though 6 times, so the 6 goes above the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. When we subtract, 12 minus 12 is 0. We still need to bring down the next number, which is also a 0. 2 goes into 0 times, so we put the 0 to hold that position. 0 times 2 is 0, so we have a remainder of 0. Unit 19.2, dividing the numbers up to 350 by 3 through 8. Example A. 3 can go into 3 1 time, so the 1 goes above the first 3. 1 times 3 is 3. When you subtract, 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the next number of 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. When you subtract, you get 0. Bring down the next number, which is 0. 3 goes into 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0 for a remainder of 0, so our answer is 110. Unit 19.3, dividing the numbers up to 400 by 4 through 9. Example A. 4 cannot go into 3. 4 can go into 38 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. When you subtract, 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down the next number, which is 8. 4 can go into 28 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28, so we have nothing remaining. Our answer is 97. Unit 19.4, dividing the numbers up to 450 by 5 through 9. Example A. 5 cannot go into 4. 5 can go into 45 9 times, so the 9 goes above the 5. 9 times 5 is 45. When we subtract, we get 0. Bring down the next number of 0. Now 5 can go into 0, of course, 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0, so we have a remainder of 0 and gives us an answer of 90. Unit 19.5, dividing the numbers up to 500 by 2 through 9. Let's look at example A. 2 can go into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. We want to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the next number, which is 6. 2 can go into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. When we subtract, we get 0. Bring down the next number of 4. 2 can go into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4 with a remainder of 0. Notice how we kept our numbers lined up, and our final answer is 232.